We did not assist the ICC, ma'am. We continued with the very tenor of the letter.
No government agency, the DND never cooperated with the ICC.
That's correct. But we did not assist the ICC.
Nagsidatingan yung ICC personnel noong October ng last year. Ang unang dumating, Maya Destura Bracken, William Rosato, yung si Mr. Kasam, Canadian. Natanggap ko lang to sa Bureau of Immigration. Sa pagkaintindi ko, nasa ilalim po ninyo.
Nung panahon na yun, ma'am, I had a gallbladder operation. So I was indisposed for around 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
October po.
October. Opo.
Pero hanggang ngayon, nandito pa raw o kaaalis lamang. Halimbawa, si Mr. William Rosato. Mula October hanggang very recently yata, o baka narito pa. Nababalitaan ko umiikot dito eh.
Wala akong nag-advise sa akin.
So,
At hindi ko naman kasi tinatanong na, sapagkat ang paniniwala ko talaga, labas-pasok lang ho talaga lang ang mga tao sa atin. At hindi naman pwedeng tanongin kung ICC sila o hindi.
You can't just walk into a police station and start demanding all sorts of documents and who liaised with them? Sinong nagbantay sila sa kanila? Alam ko na may mga magagandang sasakyan sila, paikot-ikot sila, may security pa sila. Ang balita, pulis pa nga nagbabantay. So siya rin ba yan, Chief PNP?
Madam Chair, during my time, I have no request coming from the ICC or any from. So I have no idea about it.
Sinasabi niyong during my time, kailan ba kayo naging Chief PNP?
Ma'am, April 2024.
Oo, ito October 2024, yung iba na natili rito hanggang palagay ko yung iba kaaalis lang o kundi narito pa. Matagal
That is,
sila, so
Madam
it's
Chair.
during your time po.
That is already during his time.
Very much your
October
time.
na yun eh.
Madam Chair, with that, I have no idea and have no request coming from the ICC po.
Si Chief PNP po, si General Torre, sinasabi ninyo na makukuha yung forensic evidence, lahat ng testimonial evidence, police blotter, CCTV footage, at kung ano-ano pa, makukuha yan sa presinto. Basta pupunta ka doon, dayuhan ka. Halos hindi ka nga makapagsalita ng wika na naintindihan. Pero madadali mo lahat ng dokumentong yon. Ganun ba kaluwag ang presinto natin?
Madam Chair, hindi po. We need a request coming from the court if you need or coming from us requesting us na kailangan po for investigation.
So, nag-request po ba kayo? Dahil klaro naman, wala naman na court order.
As far as I can remember, wala pong request coming from the ICC na mag-request sa PNP.
So, dun sa Station 6, paano nila nakuha lahat yun? Sa Batasan Hills, sa QC. Paano na nadali lahat ng dokumentong yun kung wala namang court order at wala namang kayong utos?
Madam
Kahit
Chair,
ano pang sipag ng civil society, hindi nila makukuha yun kasi confidential, di po ba?
yes, Madam Chair, but we will investigate regarding this matter, but I have no idea regarding this matter.